of 1,07,36,714 members were rejected. So now if we have to go by the data on ration card holders and the family members, the above poverty line population is only 72,45,736 only. Moreover, almost 40 lakhs applications are pending for fresh ration card. This means that the state will have 1.30 crore ration cards if all fresh applicants are found eligible. With an average of 3 members per ration card, the BPL population, the state will be no less than 3 crores 90 lakhs. ये सर आधार भी दे दिया, मैं राशन का भी दे रहा हूं. तो अब आप बोलिए सर कि मैं गलत हूं, तो प्लीज आप मुझे बोलिए कि यस मिस्टर ओवैसी, यू आर रॉन्ग, यू नीड टू करेक्ट, you need to study well, prepare well and come. You should not speak like this. I would really, go back, do proper studying, research and then come back. Sir, this is why I am saying, sir. Sir, and if we have to go further ahead, sir, according to SKS caste-wise population, BC constitute 1,85,61,856, that is 51.08% of state population, followed by OCs 78,12,848. ठीक है, उसके ताल्लुक से आप बोल दिए तो मैं ज्यादा इसमें डिटेल में नहीं जाऊंगा क्योंकि आपने जवाब दे दिया है. Similarly, as far as minorities are concerned, there are variations in the data as per. Sir, I will not go to the survey which was done by them, sir. 2011 census and the SKS 2014 and the caste survey, sir. As per 2011 census, sir, the minority Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, Sikh, Jain and Parsi, sir, accounted for a population of 50,01,322, constituting 14.28% of the state population of 3,50,03,674. Sir, now you have given a statement. I thank you very much, sir. You have mentioned about the Muslims, sir. But, sir, we have to talk in minorities, sir. Sir, your statement hasn't given the details of the Sikhs, the Christians, the other Jains and all whoever are in minorities. That is why I was saying. So probably if you include that, I don't know whether it is included or not. Right, sir. So now, sir, my submission to you, Honorable Speaker, sir, is that, sir, why only Muslims? We have to, when we are saying about BCs and talking about giving justice to the BCs में कई सब कैटेगराइजेशन, कई है संगम्स, कई BCs हैं, तो इसी तरीके से माइनॉरिटीज भी पूरे हैं. माइनॉरिटीज में भी मुसलमान है, सिख है, ईसाई है, पारसी है और उसके बाद में जैन भी है. तो मैं चाहूंगा कि उनको भी नहीं sir, we have to think about them because they are also minorities, sir. Sir, when I call myself and say that proudly I'm a minority leader, that doesn't mean that I'm a leader of only Muslim. No, sir, I come here to represent all the communities. I come here to represent the upper class, the backward class, and the downtrodden class, the SC, ST, BCs, minorities, and in minorities I come here to represent the Muslim, Sikh, Isai and everybody, and the Congress is for social justice and I'm sure that the Congress will also think about everybody. So this is why I'm just requesting, sir. Sir, now the state has to go with the caste survey despite the deficiencies in the data, sir. I may be recalled that the Congress government has constituted 2 commissions on BC, namely the Telangana State Commission for Backward Classes headed by Janab Niranjan Rao and Dedicated Commission on Backward Classes chaired by Janab Busani Venkateshwara Rao. The task of the BC Commission is to make recommendation on quantum of reservation for the BCs in admission in education institutions for appointment in public service and post in the state. The Dedicated Commission is constituted to make the recommendation on quantum of reservation for BCs in local bodies, that is Panchayat Raj bodies and the urban local bodies. We may recall that the Congress has committed to raise the reservation in the local bodies to 42% for BCs, 18% for SCs and 12% for STs according to the BC and SC/ST declaration, sir. Sir, now it is very important, sir. Very important, and I hope that probably if the leader of the opposition was here, he would have replied to me. Probably, sir. Sir, now this is very important, sir. Sir, I would like to point out that the BC reservation to 42% may not be a big deal at all, since the provisions are made in Telangana Panchayat Raj Act 2018 for enmarking 34% reservation for BCs in Gram Panchayat, MPTCs, ZPTCs and MPP and Zilla Parishad, and apart from 15% reservation for SCs and 6% for STs, that is overall reservation of 54%, sir. Sir, now when I've given the figure, sir, I've forgotten one important point, sir, so that is why I'm just taking some time, sir. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, through you I will request the Honorable Chief Minister Saab and the IT Minister Saab, sir. Sir, we are talking about artificial intelligence. Sir, ठीक है, मैं सिटी में रिप्रेजेंट करता हूं, ज्यादा मैं सिटी में फिरता हूं, जीएचएमसी लिमिट्स के बारे में मैं कहूंगा जिम्मेदारी के साथ, सर, ये सर्वे मुकम्मिल नहीं हुआ जीएचएमसी लिमिट में, ठीक है, नहीं हुआ. Sir, now you are asking for a suggestion. My suggestion which I want to give is that, sir, we have artificial intelligence tools are there. We can use the artificial intelligence tool. We have the ration card data. We have the total, ऊपर हमारे पास जो कितने घर हैं, कितने गलियां हैं, वो जियो रिपोर्ट क्या कहते हैं? Assessment numbers, and everything is there. Sir, we can use artificial intelligence, sir, and correct what I am saying and see if the GHMC findings are right or wrong. If I am wrong, आप बोल सकते हैं कि artificial intelligence से भी हमने verify कर लिया है. The findings of the survey are right. अकबर साहब, आपका जो बात थी वो सही नहीं थी, ये सही है. कितने डोर नंबर्स कवर्ड हुए, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आपको वो भी दे देगा. कितने गलियां, पूरा है साहब यहां पर. तो प्लीज यूज इट इज माय सजेशन टू यू, सर. सर, now, sir, the important thing, as per the GHMC Act, sir, 1/3 reservations are provided for BCs. Only in Telangana Municipality Act 2018, a ceiling of 50% is prescribed for all categories of reservation, BC, SC, STs, and no specific quantum is earmarked for BCs as such, sir. Sir, I request the government to raise the quantum of reservation for BCs in all local bodies, Panchayat Raj, urban local bodies, to 50%, since the proportion of BCs to the total population has been assessed to be 51.0% as per SKS and 56.33% as per your caste survey, sir. That is why I am demanding, sir. So this is the only way to do justice to BCs and empower them politically in real sense. According to the government, has enacted Telangana Panchayat Raj Amendment Act 2024 and Telangana Municipalities Amendment Act 2024, which inter alia provides that whatever a dedicated commission is appointed, reservation shall be made as per recommendation of such commission approved by the government. Approved by the government. I hope that now the BC leaders will listen to a very important point which I am bringing, sir. Sir, however, while constituting the dedicated commission in November 2024, the government directed the commission to make its recommendation by following the triple test prescribed by the Supreme Court of India as per prerequisite for provisioning reservation in favor of BCs and OBCs in local body election, vide its order in Vikas Kishan Rao Gawali versus State of Maharashtra and others, in writ petition civil number 980 of 2019 dated 4/3/2021, read with Dr. K. Krishnamurthy and others versus Union of India and others, in writ petition civil number 356 of 1994 dated 11/05/2010, sir. The third condition in the triple test specifies that the reservation shall not exceed aggregate of 50% of the total seat reservation in favor of SC, STs, OBCs taken together. Kaisa sabi hai? Now I hope that, sir, this directive, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, this directive to the dedicated commission is preposterous, self-contradictory, and uncalled for, since the quantum of reservation in the local body is fixed at 54% in Panchayat Raj bodies. Already it is 54. फिर आप ये order कैसा दे सकते हैं? Sir, and I remember, sir, when this bill was being brought, I was speaking on that, and I spoke on that. You can take out the records and see that. कि already the reservation had crossed the 50%, but none was ready to listen to me or to reply to me. I hope at least today you will reply, sir. Moreover, the Congress has expressed its commitment to provide enhance reservation to the BC, SC, STs, even if it means breaching the 50% ceiling on total quantum of reservation placed by the Supreme Court in the judgment of Indira Sahani case in 1992. Sir, I would like to point out that the ceiling placed by the Supreme Court lacks statutory backing, as there is no provision in the Constitution of India which places a cap on quantum of reservation for SC, STs and OBCs, sir. Sir, I may also point out that in September 2022, the Telangana government has raised the quantum of reservation for STs from 6 to 10% in respect of admission in education institution for the appointment of public services and posts in the state. In this backdrop, sir, I would request the Congress government to raise the quantum of reservation to 50% for BCs, 18% for SCs, and 12% for SCs in admission in educational institution and for appointment in public service, as well as in elective post in all local bodies, both rural and urban, sir. There can be no ceiling of 50% on total quantum of reservation at all, sir, as the state has already crossed that milestone. Already the state has crossed that milestone. So the Congress government has to create a record by enmarking a total of 80% reservation for BC, SC, STs together, sir. The Congress cannot roll back the reservation that has already touched 54. You cannot roll back that. In admission in education institution and for appointment in public services, and 55%. And an honorable panel speaker, sir, and it is 55% in elective post in Panchayat Raj bodies and 54.33% in GHMC. So already it has crossed 50%. If I am wrong, I may be corrected, sir. Now the report on caste survey, the backward classes commission and the dedicated commissions are with the government. The government has to decide. The government has to decide on the quantum of reservation in the rural and urban local bodies, taking into account the report of the dedicated commission and the caste survey, sir. Sir, I would urge the government to announce the time frame for the conduct of Gram Panchayat, MPTC, ZPTC and municipal elections in the state, since the term of the elected bodies, excluding the GHMC and few other municipalities and municipal corporations, are over, sir. I may recall that the then BRS government has conducted the Gram Panchayat polls in 2019 after the assembly elections were held in December 2018. The term of elected Gram Panchayats ended in January 2024, sir. Similarly, the government conducted MPTC, ZPTC polls in July, August 20 and 19, sir, after the Lok Sabha elections were held in April 2019. The term of elected MPTC and ZPTCs, the MPPs and Zilla Parishad ended in July, August 2024. Elections were held at 120 municipalities and 10 municipal corporations, January 2020, sir. The term of the elected bodies of the municipalities and corporations ended in January 2025, sir. Sir, through you, sir, I would like to seek a permission, sir. Sir, a permission to table my representation, because it's very lengthy, sir. I just want to cut short of time, sir. Through your permission, sir, I would like to table the request which I had made to the dedicated commission of BC, sir, and also to the State Commission for Backward Class, sir.